In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color and background color in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make important points stand out in your emails using Gmail's built-in formatting tools, all without leaving the Compose window. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and clicking the Compose button to open a new message. Type your text just as you normally would. When you're ready to add color, select the exact words or sentences you want to change by clicking and dragging to highlight them. With the text selected, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the Compose window and click Formatting Options, which is the icon that looks like a capital A with an underline. In the panel that appears, click the text color icon, represented by a capital A with a colored bar beneath it. A palette will open. Choose the color you want, and Gmail will immediately apply it to the highlighted text. If you don't love the result, simply keep the text highlighted and pick a different color until it looks right. Using a darker color for headings or key phrases can help your message read clearly, while lighter colors may be harder to see. Now let's highlight text with a background color, which works like a digital marker. Again, select the specific text you want to emphasize. Click the same Formatting Options button to open the Formatting panel. This time, click the background color icon, which looks like a small paint bucket. Pick your preferred color from the palette, and the selected text will get a colored background behind it. This is perfect for drawing attention to dates, action items, or short snippets you don't want your reader to miss. If the color feels too strong, choose a lighter shade so the text remains easy to read. A few quick tips as you work. Only the text you highlight will change, so you're always in control of what gets styled. You can repeat these steps at any time to adjust colors, and you can mix text color and background color for extra emphasis if needed. Use color thoughtfully. Consistent, high contrast choices keep your message professional and accessible. And remember, these changes affect the content of this email only, so your overall Gmail theme stays the same. That's it. You've seen how to change text color and how to add a background highlight in Gmail using the formatting options, the text color icon, and the background color icon. Try it out in your next email to make your message clear, organized, and visually engaging.